Today we're going to unlock a simple but super helpful trick in WordPress: how to add a back to top button without installing any extra plugins. If you've ever scrolled through a long page and wished you could jump right back to the top with one click, that's exactly what you'll learn here. By the end of this tutorial, your site visitors will have a smoother, more enjoyable navigation experience that feels just a bit more professional. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to be using a block theme such as 2026. If you're not sure what a block theme is, it's one of WordPress's modern themes that lets you build and edit pages directly with blocks, no coding, no complicated interface. If you're on one of these, great. You don't need to search for or install any plugins. We can set up a back to top button using just the tools WordPress already provides. So the very first thing you need to do is set the destination for your button. Basically, tell WordPress exactly where you want visitors to land when they click the button. Usually that's the very top of your page, which is often your header or a hero section. Go ahead and click on that topmost block in the editor. This step matters because if we point the button somewhere else, your visitors may land in the wrong part of the page. Once you've selected your target block, look over to the right-hand sidebar in the editor. You'll see some settings, and if you scroll down a bit, there's an advanced section. Inside, you'll find a field called HTML anchor. This is essentially a unique name for your section, so WordPress knows where the button should scroll to. Type in a simple word like top, no spaces, no punctuation, just top. This creates a kind of invisible marker at the top of your page. If this part feels a bit technical, don't worry, you're just giving your header an easy-to-remember label, kind of like snapping a sticky note on the first page of your notebook. Now let's make the actual button people will click to zoom back up. Scroll down to the bottom of your page or find your footer template if you want the button to appear site-wide. Here, add a buttons block. WordPress makes this really easy. Just hit the plus button and search for buttons. Once you've dropped it in, add text like back to top. That's the visible label your visitors will see. There's a crucial little detail here. You need to link the button to your HTML anchor. Click on your new button to edit it and use the link option. Instead of pasting a full URL, simply type a hash followed by your anchor word, so top. This tells WordPress when someone clicks here, send them to the section labeled top. It's like writing see page 1 on a note and knowing exactly where that leads. If you want to polish things up a bit, you can style your button, change the color, shape, or add an icon if you wish. Don't be afraid to experiment. A button that stands out but matches your theme helps catch the user's eye. And don't worry if yours doesn't look perfect on the first try. You can always preview and tweak the design so it fits in naturally with your site's look. Finally, hit update or publish to save your changes. Test your back to top button. Scroll down, click, and you should be whisked right back to the top. If it's not working, double check that the anchor is spelled consistently in both places and be sure you're editing the correct block. And that's it. You've just boosted your website's usability with something simple but effective, no plugins, no extra load time, and no fuss. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments below, I'll be happy to help, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.